Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech tutorials and tips. In today's video, we'll be diving into Proxmox, a powerful open-source virtualization platform. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to add an ISO file to Proxmox. Whether you have the ISO file saved locally on your machine or need to download it from a website, I've got you covered. We'll start by walking through the steps to upload an ISO file directly from your computer to Proxmox. After that, I'll guide you through the process of downloading an ISO from the web and adding it to your Proxmox environment. So, let's get started and dive right in. All right, open your Proxmox web interface, then navigate to the local section on the left. You should see a section labeled ISO. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've navigated to the ISO images section, we'll begin by uploading an ISO file from your local machine. If you already have an ISO file ready, follow these steps to upload it. First, click on the Upload button, which will open a dialog box allowing you to browse your local files. Locate the ISO file on your computer and select it. After selecting the file, click Open to start the upload process. The upload may take a few minutes depending on the size of the file and your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your ISO listed in the ISO Images section, ready to be used for your virtual machines. I'll be canceling the local upload due to slow internal network speeds. Instead, we'll move on to downloading an ISO directly from a URL to Proxmox. Follow along as I show you how to easily and quickly download an ISO file from the internet straight into your Proxmox environment. First, you'll need to obtain the URL of the ISO file you wish to download. This could be a URL for an Ubuntu, Debian, or any other Linux distribution. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to get a Windows 11 ISO URL from the Windows website. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the official Windows website. Look for the section where you can download Windows 11. Once you find the download link for the ISO file, right-click on the link and select Copy Link Address or a similar option, depending on your browser. With the URL copied to your clipboard, head back to your Proxmox web interface. We'll be using this URL to download the ISO directly to your Proxmox server, bypassing the need for a local upload and making the process much faster. Follow along as I paste this URL into the Proxmox console to initiate the download of the Windows 11 ISO. And that's it, all done. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed the content. In a future video, I'll be showing you how to install a virtual machine using these ISOs, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. See you next time.